Barnaby's Big Bee Adventure. Barnaby is a bright yellow bee. He loves the letter B more than anything. One sunny morning, Barnaby decided to fly out of his hive. He wanted to find 10 new friends and things that all start with the letter B. First, Barnaby flew to a garden and saw a bear. The bear was big and brown. He was sniffing a flower and looking for some sweet honey. Barnaby waved his wings and said hello to his large, fuzzy friend. Next, Barnaby found a blue bird sitting on a branch. The bird sang a happy song. It had soft feathers and a tiny beak. Barnaby buzzed along to the music as the bird flew high up into the bright blue sky. Then Barnaby saw a shiny red ball on the grass. It was round and bouncy. A little boy kicked it, and it went boing, boing, boing. Barnaby thought the ball looked like a lot of fun to play with. In the pond, Barnaby spotted a wooden boat. The boat was floating gently on the water. It had a white sail that moved in the wind. Barnaby landed on the edge of the boat to take a quick rest. Near the trees, Barnaby saw a yellow bus. The bus had big black wheels. It was taking children to school. Barnaby liked the loud sound of the horn as the bus drove down the long gray road. Barnaby then flew to a picnic and saw a banana. The banana was long and yellow, just like Barnaby. It looked very sweet and tasty. It was the perfect snack for a hungry traveler on a warm day. On a pretty flower, Barnaby found a butterfly. The butterfly had colorful wings with dots. It flapped its wings slowly and moved from petal to petal. Barnaby and the butterfly danced in the air together. In the tall grass, Barnaby saw a small bug. The bug was green and had tiny legs. It was crawling slowly over a leaf. Barnaby said hello, and the bug gave a little wave back with its feelers. Next, Barnaby found a book left on a bench. The book had many pages and pictures. It told a story about magic and fun. Barnaby looked at the colorful drawings before he zoomed away into the air. Finally, Barnaby saw a balloon tied to a fence. The balloon was bright pink and filled with air. It tugged on its string, wanting to fly up to the clouds. Barnaby circled it 3 times with a happy buzz. Barnaby the Bee had a very busy day. He found a bear, bird, ball, boat, bus, banana, butterfly, bug, book, and a balloon. Everything starts with B, and Barnaby was the happiest bee in the world. What B is for? B is for bee. B is for bear. B is for bird, ball. B is for boat. B is for bus. B is for banana. B is for butterfly. B is for bug. B is for book. B is for balloon. Please say again what B is for.